Continue.
So internet shopping. Internet shopping means with the help of online, if you are searching or purchasing any of the items without going anywhere. So without any physical movement, you can order your items from your home itself with the help of that online. So that is the main purpose of internet shopping. So in internet shopping, we are going to discuss the trade cycle. So in trade cycle, first subtitle, pre-sales. Pre-sales means before making your trade, the two parties must need to contact the and agree the terms and conditions of your trades. Means they need to discuss about how much they are going to spend for buying those items, then at what time the seller going to deliver.
Continue.
So those are all the information they need to discuss. That is pre-sales. Then next one, execution. Go, go out, go and take the what. So second subtitle under internet shopping, execution. So execution means requesting the goods and collecting the goods. So after send your request about your product, that purchase need to be cross-checked either manually or then next step, settlement. So settlement means the payment for your purchased items. Then last step in internet shopping, after sales. So after receiving the items, if you are finding any of the fault, means you can report. So that is the concept of internet shopping and trade cycle. Then next topic, e-commerce technology. So in e-commerce, the next topic, e-commerce technology. So in e-commerce technology, these are all the topics we are going to discuss. First one, mobile commerce. Second one, electronic funds transfer. Third one, supply chain management. Fourth one, internet marketing. Fifth one, online transaction processing. Sixth one, electronic data interchange. Then seventh one, inventory management system. Eighth one, automated data collection system. So totally 8 technology we are going to discuss in this particular topic. Okay, are you clear? Lawrence, are you clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
So this is the new topic. Okay. So the topic is e-commerce technology. So e-commerce technology means you need to mention this technology and explain one by one. So yeah, let's go for first technology, mobile commerce. So commerce means we know very well buying or selling, right? Making any of the transaction. So mobile commerce means with the help of your any portable devices, okay, like mobile phone or laptop or notebook, or your PDA, any of the handheld devices, if you are using for doing your commerce. Okay, so with the help of any portable devices, you can make commerce. So this mobile commerce also called as m-commerce. So the concept of mobile commerce is with the help of any portable wireless devices to conduct any commercial transaction. So for example, with the help of your mobile phone, you can search or order any of the item. Yes, tell me, Lawrence. Lawrence, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
No. I think Enoch wants to say something.
What?
I'm saying I think Enoch wants to say something.
Okay.
Enoch wants to say something.
Okay. Enoch, tell me. Where's Enoch? Enoch. He's not here. He's not in our meeting. I think he went out. Enoch.
No.
Okay, let me explain this. Hey, do you have any doubt in this first technology, mobile commerce? Mobile commerce, do you have any doubt? No. So mobile commerce.
No.
Okay. So mobile commerce means with the help of any wireless portable devices, you can make your transaction. Okay. So the best example for that, mobile banking. So with the help of your mobile, you can transfer the money from one account to any other account. Okay. Then with the help of your mobile phone, you can order any of the item from any of the website. So that is the concept of mobile commerce. Means with the help of any portable wireless devices, you can make your transaction with the help of online. Then second technology, electronic funds transfer. So electronic funds transfer means the process of transferring money over the internet. For example, if you want to transfer money from your account to any of the account, means no need to go directly to the bank. Just you can do it from your mobile phone. So that is electronic funds transfer. So electronic funds transfer means with the help of online, if you are transferring your money to any of the account. Then next technology, supply chain management. Supply chain management means the management of flow of goods and services from point of origin to point of completion. So supply chain management means the process of managing the flow of goods and services from raw materials to final products. Then next technology, internet marketing. So internet marketing means with the help of internet, if you are promoting your business or any of the products over the internet using any of the tools like any of the social media like Facebook or Twitter. So with the help of that, you can advertise about your product. So internet marketing means giving the advertisement about your product with the help of internet. So you can use some of the tools for giving the advertisement about your services. So some tools are there. So you just go through it like social media, email, search engine optimization, content marketing, search engine marketing. So these are all the tools. So with the help of that, you can promote your business. Then next technology, online transaction processing. Online transaction processing is database software designed to support transaction related applications on the internet. Online transaction processing is database software designed to support transaction related applications over the internet. Then next topic, electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange means the transferring the data from one computer to another computer without any human intervention. Just exchanging your data between computers. You can exchange the data like purchase orders, invoices, inventory levels, and shipping notices. So these are all the data you can exchange among systems without any human intervention. Electronic data interchange means transferring any of the data without any human intervention between the computer. Then next technology, inventory management system. Inventory management system means tracking the information about your goods or
And
services or items.
Madam,
Yes, Lawrence, tell me.
yes, can you repeat the technology that you say you are from saying? I never got it.
Yeah, which technology? Which?
The one after electronic data interchange.
Okay. Inventory management system. Inventory, yeah. Inventory
Okay.
management system. So inventory
Okay,
management
madam.
system means is the process of tracking the information about your goods or services or products. Are you clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Then next, technology, automated data collection system. So automated data collection system means,
System.
yeah, automated data collection system is the creation and implementation of technology that automatically process a huge volume of data with minimal human interaction, and you can share with only selected customer, not for all. So automated data collection system means it's the creation and implementation of technology that automatically process a huge volume of data with minimal human interaction, and you can share data with selected customer, not for all. The next, so e-commerce technology is over. Do you have any doubt in this e-commerce technology?
No.
So this is the e-commerce technology. Okay, so mobile commerce means with the help of any portable devices, if you are making any of the transaction like purchasing any of the items or exchanging your data with the help of any portable wireless devices. Then next, electronic,
Funds transfer.
yeah, electronic funds transfer. Electronic funds transfer means with the help of internet, if you are transferring your money to any of the account. Okay. Then supply chain management. Supply chain management means it's the process of recording the information from the origin of the product to completion of the product. Okay. Are you clear up to this?
Yes, madam.
Okay. The next, internet marketing. Internet marketing means with the help of internet, if you are promoting your business by giving the ad, that is internet marketing. Promoting your business by giving any of the advertisement in the online. For example, in Facebook, you can give your advertisement about your shop, isn't it? Then next, online transaction processing. So online transaction processing means without human intervention, if you are exchanging your data. Are you clear? Okay.
Yes.
The next, electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange means any of the text-based data we can interchange with the help of online. Then next one, inventory management system. So inventory management system means with the help of any online tool, you can track the information about your product or services or goods. Then last technology, automated data collection system. So automated data collection system means it's one kind of technology in which we can process large volume of data with minimal human intervention, and we can send those data to any particular customer, not for all. Are you clear? So that is the
Yes.
concept of e-commerce technology. Then shall we move to next topic? Shall
Yes.
we? Okay. Next topic is internet.
Internet.
So yes, internet. Okay. So internet. So we are very familiar with the term internet, right? So you just tell me what is mean by internet. Nowadays, without internet, we can't survive, right? So you just tell me any one use of internet. Tell me.
To find information.
Yes, good.
Find information.
Yeah. So you can find any kind of information from anywhere at any time, right? Without
Yes.
any movement. Just you can use any of the devices that connect your device on the internet, then you can get any of the information. Okay. So the formal definition of internet is connecting the people or devices together. Okay. So it's a,
Okay.
yeah. So once you connected your devices with any of the device on the internet, those device able to send or receive any of the information. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then next subtitle under internet, TCP IP. TCP IP. TCP
TCP/IP.
IP. Yeah,
TCP.
TCP means transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol. Then IP means internet protocol. Internet protocol.
Internet protocol.
Okay. So TCP means,
You said
yeah, TCP. TCP
TCP.
transmission control protocol. TCP transmission control protocol. So
Okay, madam.
yeah, this is the protocol means, do you know the meaning of protocol? Protocol means a set of rules to follow. Okay. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So TCP, it's a protocol which is used for connecting your devices on the internet. Are you clear? So with the help of TCP, you can connect your devices on the internet. Okay. Are you clear? TCP.
To connect
TCP
devices
means,
on the
yeah. TCP connects, TCP
Okay.
helps to connect your devices on the internet. Okay. Then IP. IP
Yes.
means Internet Protocol. So, Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol means, for example, your device connected with internet means this protocol identify the location of your device. Are you clear? IP means this
Image
protocol
protocol.
helps to find the location of your device. Once you connected your devices on the internet, this protocol helps to identify the location of your device. Are you clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So TCP means transmission control protocol. So this protocol helps our devices to connect in the internet. Then IP means Internet Protocol. This protocol helps to find out the location of your devices once you connected in the internet. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Then,
madam.
okay. Then next, Internet components. Next, subtitle under that, Internet components. So first component, access. Access. So access means if you are accessing the internet in your device means, okay, that's access. Access means using the internet on your devices. Are you clear? Using the internet with the help of mobile data on your device. Then chat. Chat means, see, now we are doing chat, right? Right? Exchanging our information. Live discussions with the help of internet. That is chat. Chat means it's a live discussions on the internet. Are you clear?